Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can set an end screen for your videos on YouTube through the YouTube Studio application. For example, an end screen like next video, for example, or subscribe button to your channel. So you may add these to the end of your videos on YouTube so that your viewers may engage with these end screens and get redirected, for example, to the next video of your channel. This is how you can do it, guys. Head over to YouTube and log into your account. Click into your channel profile in the top right and access YouTube Studio here. Inside YouTube Studio, head over to Content here in the left panel, go through your video library and select the video you would like to edit. So let me go with that one here. Click into that pencil icon here, Details, to access the given video's editing. And here, guys, to the left, head over to Editor here. And what you want to do after that is click into Edit next to the given video's end screens. You will also see the current end screen here on your timeline of the video, usually at the end. So click into Edit here. And here you may simply customize your end screen. Like, for example, if you left click on that preview window here, guys, you'll be given the opportunity to add, for example, an end screen like a video if you'd like to redirect your viewers to another video. So simply move that box here where space for it, like for example here, and you may, for example, select if you'd like to show the most recent upload or redirect your viewers to a specific video by clicking on that button and go with one of your own videos or from another channel, for example. Simply use that search bar here, and that's basically it. And you may also do the same, guys, for example, with a playlist. Simply left click here, anywhere here, select playlist and add a playlist from your channel and add it to your end screen. Or third option, guys, would be to add, for example, the subscribe button to your channel. You will see your profile, your channel profile icon here. So simply click into it, for example, or left click into that space here, click on channel and select, for example, a channel you would like to redirect your viewers to. And yeah, that's basically it. You may also adjust the duration or length of the end screen here at the bottom on your timeline. And that's it. To delete these end screens, guys, simply left click it on the timeline here or here on your display and click into the trash icon here. And that is going to remove it, as you can see. So super simple. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.